Ooh-ha, I'm free. What you doing, woman? I'm free now. Documents in my back pocket. Stop looking at me. Your mama is more crusty than me. Sorry for the jokes, folks. If you ever had a Acra full exhaust on the CV650R and you are running it without a baffle, there is a plug here, a rubber plug to plug the hole. And if you look online, and after a while it gets crusty and it would start to deteriorate. And as you can see here, I got a replacement plug in the back and it plugs in fine. I think you can find these on Amazon for $6 as a replacement part. And this is, make sure it's the size 14.5 to 15.5. It's the code of 0545. And as you can see in the size comparison, it's about a little bit bigger, but it fits in just fine. And I tried the 14 to 15 mm, and that one is a little bit too small, and this one fits just fine. And then usually if you find it on like just random websites, they go for like $7.55, and then of course you have to pay shipping, about $10 in shipping. And once you, or you can go on like eBay, find it a little cheaper for maybe $8, but it's usually you have to pay $65 and then tax on top of that. So that's just for one, and of course you can order a few of these, but it's almost $8 for one. Might as well go on Amazon, $6 for a whole pack of 15. So hopefully that helps a bit.